Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games using RPCS3. First, you'll need to download the RPCS3 emulator from its official website. This powerful open-source PlayStation 3 emulator runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, letting you enjoy a vast library of games. Before you begin, make sure your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor for the best experience. Next, you'll need to install the PlayStation 3 firmware. Head over to Sony's official website and download the latest firmware file. Once downloaded, open RPCS3, go to the File menu, and select Install Firmware. After that, take a moment to configure your gamepads and adjust the graphics settings. You can often achieve 60 frames per second with proper adjustments. Now, let's add some games. You'll need your PlayStation 3 game files, typically in PKG or ISO format. Simply drag and drop these files directly into the RPCS3 window. The emulator will then process them, making them ready to play. Once added, just double-click on any game title in your library to launch it and dive into the action. To get the most out of your gaming, consider optimizing RPCS3 settings. Experiment with different CPU and GPU configurations within the emulator. Sometimes a small tweak can significantly boost performance. The RPCS3 Wiki is an excellent resource for game-specific settings and troubleshooting common issues. Also, remember to keep your graphics drivers updated for maximum compatibility and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.